Good morning everyone. I am Kumari Arunima, student of BSc IT first year, and today I am here for my mathematics presentation. But before I start my presentation, I would like to take this time to show my gratitude towards my respected teacher Rabin sir for providing me with this great opportunity to talk about such an interesting topic. The topic that I am here to present today is parabola. For this particular topic, we are going to follow a sequence wherein we are going to first look at the definition of a parabola, then finally look how it actually looks like, and then finally move on to the properties of a parabola. A parabola is a locus of a point that moves in a plane so that its distance from a fixed point is equals to its distance from a fixed straight line. The fixed point that we are talking about is the focus, and the fixed straight line that we are talking about is the directrix. This is how it actually looks like, wherein this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis, and this is the parabola that is plotted here. Now, if the parabola is plotted on the right hand side of the y-axis, it is known as a right-handed parabola, and if it's plotted on the left-hand side of a y-axis, it is known as a left-handed parabola. Now, let's move on to the properties of a parabola. Now, the right-handed parabola has the standard equation as y square is equals to 4ax. Its vertex is at 0, 0, focus is at a0, and equation of the axis is y is equals to 0. The equation of the directrix will be x plus a is equals to 0, and the length of the latest rectum, which remains the same for both the parabolas in this case, is 4a. Now coming to the left-handed parabola, the standard equation will change a little bit. So y square will be equal to minus 4ax. The vertex will remain the same, which is 0, 0. The focus will be again at minus a, 0. The equation of the axis will be y is equals to 0, and the equation of directrix will again change a little bit, which will be x minus a is equals to 0, and the length of the latest rectum, as I said, will remain the same. Now, to quickly summarize, we have understood what is the definition of a parabola, what it looks like, what differentiate between the left-handed and the right-handed parabola, and then finally we looked at some of the properties of a parabola. With that, I would like to conclude this presentation that I prepared under the guidance of Rabin sir. Thank you.